This tutorial is important if you currently keep your EDCOIN in the EDCOIN Smart Staking website. If you have an EDCOIN Smart Staking website account, please note that MeWallet has replaced the EDCOIN Smart Staking website. Rest assured that your previous balances and staking plans are accessible through your MeWallet. Please download the MeWallet. Your previous login and password will work with MeWallet. You do not have to perform a new sign-up. You can use your previous EDCOIN Smart Staking login and password. You do not need to perform a new KYC submission. You do not need to perform any transfers from your EDCOIN Smart Staking account. Your MeWallet will show the balance of your EDCOIN Smart Staking account. If you have any EDCOIN in active staking plans, you can also view the status of your staking plans. Please note that MeWallet replaces the EDCOIN Smart Staking website. When new staking opportunities arise, you can stake your EDCOIN through MeWallet. Master EDCOIN Wallet, your all-in-one wallet for the EDCOIN ecosystem.